welcome to back my channel. Today I will discuss about 5 golden rule. This rule will help you to improve your English communication. It will help you to achieve your mental peace. It will help you to be consistent. So without wasting time, I want to jump through the 5 golden rule. Number 1, set a goal. Means you we will get up every day early morning. When we will get up early morning, so that time we have a unlimited time, because we all have a same problem. Means I don't have a time. But when we will start waking up early morning, so that time we have a plenty of time. What we can learn, we can decide, and what we need a time for ourselves. So when we will get up, so that time we will find a lot of time to giving ourselves. And number 2, try to go for morning work. Nowadays we all are working in a company, either in a job. We have unlimited brain pressure. Even from city life, sometime our life we are totally bored. But when we will start working, it will help us to maintain our fitness. It will give us a good health. It will help us to maintain our good personality. Nowadays, we are facing unlimited disease. Someone also facing depression. Someone also have a health issues. Someone also have a mental depression. So if you want to overcome your all things, so start working. It will give mental peace, and mental peace, that's mean you have a good energy in your body. One sentence I learned in my childhood: when your heart is good, your mind is good. Your mind is good, that's mean your life is good. So, by morning walk, you will achieve three things. You will overcome your mental pressure, you will achieve a good health, and you will find a good fitness. Number 3, try to start reading. You have a desire to become a English fluent, so you have to read every single day. Means every single day we eat 3 meal: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try to same way and divided your time in a 3 part: 20-minute morning time, 20-minute non time, and 20-minute evening time. Because for becoming a good speaker, you have to gain knowledge in your side, because our mind is like a white paper. What you will draw, what you will keep, it will come outside. So if you want to become a good speaker, so start reading. And when you will read, so it will help to improve your vocabulary, because your journey is English. You want to become a good communicator, for that reading is most important. By that you can observe grammar, you can observe vocabulary, and you can learn new things. Even you can overcome your weakness point. Number 4, when you come back from morning walk, and otherwise before going to morning walk, start journaling. 10 minutes or 20 minutes, it is enough. Sometime you will think, means I am journaling, means I am wasting my time. No, it is not waste of the time. Every successful people, they have a to-do list for every single day. Means they always ask one question to themselves: Means all day what I will do, how I will improve myself, and how I will train myself. So before starting their day, they also have a plan. But 99% people, they don't have a plan in their life. Means exactly what should I do and what I will do. When we not have a proper plan, so we also try to pass our time here and there. Means we have, that's mean that we have unlimited time. We are giving someone, and we are watching video of someone, we are also spending someone, we also forget our all life. But nothing will be changed when you will not fix a means work and to-do list. Because when you will work for your day, so your future depend on this day. What you will do today, you will find a result in future. And by journaling, you can improve your writing skill also, and you have a proper means guideline. For example, for every country, they have a rule and regulation. So when you will write some action plan for your day, so automatically your mind will force you to complete this work. For example, in exam day, we also write continuously 3 hours. Within 3 hours, we also write minimum 30 pages or 35 pages. But in another day, we don't have a time for writing. What is the meaning? That is mean that we have a pressure in our brain. That time our brain only think about how we can complete my task. Your brain are ready, just you have a fixed a time. You have give to time a task to your brain, so it will start working. So start journaling. And fifth things, it is more important, it can change your entire thought and mentality. When you set a goal for your day, that time start asking, "Okay, what am I doing now?" Sometime what happen, we set a goal, after that we start operating mobile, we are watching some unnecessary video, reel, in Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. But tell me, when you will ask the question again and again, so your mind automatically will have a means motivational, tablet. That is what is the question? Means ask to yourself again and again, what am I doing now? And suddenly your mind will give you that now you are watching mobile, you are watching some videos. Then ask, "Okay, this watching video can make me fluent in English language? Can by this video can I learn something new?" Automatically your mind will give answer, no, just I am watching this video for fun, no any kind of benefit for watching this video. When you will investigate, when you will source, your weakness, automatically your brain will give a idea. And always try to, after a few minutes, try to ask to yourself, what am I doing? By working this work, can I achieve my goal? Can I become a fluent speaker? So suddenly you will have an answer for your inner side. So these five things can change your life. Number one, get up early morning. Number second, go for morning walk. Third, start reading. And fourth, try to start journaling. And fifth, try to ask question to yourself. I hope this video help you to think about your life. If you get some idea from this video, please like our channel, subscribe our channel, and support us, and help us to continue our motivation because we need your support. I hope you will complete our 200 subscriber. Thank you for watching my video.